Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for how to making YouTube videos using Canva option. Canva, what are the features they can give to making a video? So I'm selecting one of the websites called iamfit.in. In this particular YouTube channel purpose, how to making a video for using Canva. In this making video purpose Canva, I can add the title, phone number, website link, everything add by in between the video option. In this purpose, select the video feature. There is called video, Facebook video, video message, mobile video, and YouTube video. Number of things are there. Here, selecting for YouTube video option. This YouTube video option will be select here. We can selecting first of all, welcome screen. That welcome screen compulsory important. If this welcome screen is available in your particular screen option, select will be here. Go to in this, add your welcome screen. Just we can utilize by the welcome screen option. So where is the welcome screen? Add your welcome screen. We can add your in between the image and video, both can will be possible. Simple, we can click set image as background. After this one, add your video. When video at a time, compulsory video name, we can compulsory important will be here. So that video will be added here. The video name we can selecting from your no document. Clean and press. This is a rotate. Name will be. Select video. Add it here. When you're creating time, any video, you can create time. Compulsory, you can require will be patience is must require. Any video design you using for Canva option. So here, add your background. Background your wish. Which background you can add here? Add the background will be here. Next, add your effect. Effect will be, we can use the particular effect. So we can use them into this. Next, add another video here. Just we can go to upload. Heavy back running. Just here. After adding this video, this will be size is a problem. Just we can add will be like this. Here, drag this. So video time, which is required will be patience is required for the any video will be designed on the Canva option. So if you have very good patience, you can make the video from using Canva option. So next, add your screen, add your third video. Here is the option. We can use the video. We can use from like this also, complete background, but it will be not properly here. So that is called, we can video will be given by the in between the middle of option. Or else we can change another option is called, we can making for mobile video also. But one video will be like this and another video will be another option. So that is called, we can add will be using for this feature, YouTube video feature. 1920 by 1080 pixel we can use by the particular option. Select your end screen, add here. Their use option name is called contact us. Anything will be using by a particular option. Final option will be called subscribe your channel will be compulsory used by the in a particular future. So here we can use this option, add your contact details and add your, we can add by the subscribe button here also. So this video will be not added here. Give me seconds. I can add by the video. We can add by the music also, will be very flexible. Enter video also. So it is uploading video takes some time. Uploading time, download will be not possible. Here is the left side, upload is going on in the process. You have to wait for uploading time. Total time length will be shown to the particular customers will be here, which is useful. Replace the background and use this video, first video, second video, and third video. And we can go with the option name is called, last one is called your subscribe the option. Replace the background. There is a fraction of second. They click for replace the background. The background will be fulfill the finish your particular account. So right now it will be finished 100% successful done. After this feature, go to first part. Here audio file is there. Which file you can add by the audio file? Select it. So complete audio file added by the your particular YouTube video. See this one. The below option. Drag and drop, nothing required. If you add the audio file is not possible. Why? Because it is making a video along with the music. Making a video along with the music. This is called gym area. Education different, gym different, and previous one I'll explain about the education websites, how we can make the videos with using for PPT. Guys, this is not for earning purpose. This will be, I'll show my business portfolio purpose. So based on the business, we can make this particular video. So everything done. Click for here, download this feature, MP4 video. And once again, right click here, add transition, split pages, duplicate pages, add pages, everything will be there. So each video I'm adding for text also. Last video, you can check it out. I'll forget the title. You can add the title will be here. Squat high jump. Effect. Done. Now finally, each video we can go with the option will be here. After download, we can check from the here. Download the future MP4 video. It will take some time for less than minute or less than 2 minutes. Download the video will be here. You have to wait for less than minute or 2 minutes for download the video. Wait for the seconds. The file is completely done. The file will go to the download process will be started. This total file will be 75 MB with a high resolution pixel. So after finishing download, you can play the video. Just you have to wait for the 1 to less than 1 minute. The video will be going to download here. Now video is downloaded. Just to play the video. So this is the video. Is a welcome screen. Now is the video is playing. Easily help by the clean and press. Next video, we can visible by the heavy bag running. And next will be squat high jump. People easily we can know about the particular things. And in this video, we have one more change also we can do. What the changes is called? Every video, we can add your logo also. If you forget any logo in this video, no need to worry. We can add the logo also like this. We can add the complete logo option. logo. Second thing is called add your website link. You can add your website link also. So this. What are the changes you've done previously? Mistake, anything you will be clarify will be here. You can add your website link and phone number. Everything will be possible. You can change. It will be like this also. After this one, you can add middle properly middle here. Last one, but list and download your option will be here. Download. So download will be processed. Same like that, you can download the particular file. So this is the way we can make the videos using Canva. Existing videos we can combine and make the videos, add your logo and text based on your fundamentals. What are the training you will given? The based on the fundamental, you make the video and upload the Canva option, download it and upload your YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, any future will be flexible by using Canva option. Making a video purpose, video category you can select. What are the size you're looking for? Select by the video sizes and make the videos along with the text, along with the images. If any further doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.